What's up, YouTube? I'm going to show you a quick trick specifically for uploading multiple videos at one time. So if you go to create, right, and upload videos, it's going to give you the drag and drop page. Okay, so you can see I have 3 videos here that I want to upload. I'll show you what happens if you select all of the videos and drop them in at one time. So I dropped them in, and you can see that the first video is uploading and the other 2 are waiting. They're in a queue. Okay, so I'm gonna go to create and upload videos again, but we're just gonna drag in one of the videos. And so since I dragged in just one video, it automatically brings up the details page. So I'm gonna save and close, and you can see this video is uploading. Now, if I go to create, upload again, and drag in the next video, same thing, details page, save and close. You can see that both videos are uploading at the same time as opposed to one video uploading and the rest in the waiting queue. Alright, so all 3 have been dragged in individually, and you can see that they're all uploading all at one time, which is much faster. You can see this one is almost already done with the other 2 being worked on. So much better. Hope that helps. Speed up your downloads with multiple videos, especially if you have one long video and, multiple shorter ones. Try it out. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to the channel. It would mean a lot to me, and thanks. See ya.